Hello my lovely health seeker, Inga from Health Origins here, and I'm currently making some homemade soy milk, and it's actually now at the right temperature that I decided to try out to make some silken tofu. I've seen a recipe online, so I'm gonna give it a go. So let's begin. So I've got my milk at just about the right temperature. I've measured it with a little kind of meat thermometer, and it was about 80 degrees, and that's kind of what you want. Then I prepared these little ramekins, so you can, have glass jars as well, but something a bit more wide mouth would be better. And I have added half a teaspoon of lemon juice to each ramekin, and now I'm gonna add the milk. So I'm gonna just add the milk. So carefully. Add the milk up to near the top, like this. And then these need to be steamed, so you can do it either on, in the regular pot, in a steamer, or I'm gonna do it in the instant pot. So I'm gonna just close it up and steam it for about 10 minutes. So I've got my instant pot, and I put a couple of cups of boiling water in there, the trivet, and then the steaming basket on here. I'm gonna add my milk. Actually, I think I've miscalculated. These 3 of them is not gonna even fit in here, unfortunately. Only 2, although I might be able to put that just on top somehow. We don't want it to spill accidentally. So there, if I'm really careful, that might quite work. Okay, so I'm gonna put the instant pot lid on carefully. Seal it and put it on for steaming for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna check. So it's been 10 minutes steaming in the Instant Pot. As you can see, this is the result. So this is how they came out, and this is the one they actually drained. So I took my silicon silicon whatever it's called, and then I've drained that the bit of liquid like this. So I'm gonna do the same to all of them, and I'm gonna leave them to cool down, and then we'll turn them over on the plate to see what kind of consistency it is. So these have cooled down, and I've turned them over onto the plate. There's a little bit of water still here, but it's looking actually quite like silken tofu, so I'm actually quite impressed. So I've got a taste tester for you, so me and Mark will test it out. So let's give it a go. I wouldn't say that silken tofu, without being flavored or anything, it's that amazing, but let's try it.
It's nice. Yeah, I mean,
it doesn't have that like such a silky flavor that you get with the silken tofu, but I think you get that only with using gypsum, because there's like a
What?
there's
I need more to make sure.
food grade gypsum that I've seen, you know, a lady was using in her recipe, and that actually produced quite a silky looking smooth texture, whereas this one is more grainy. It's kind of like more curd, so it's more towards like the hard tofu.
Yeah.
Rather than a silken tofu. It's because of the lemon juice curdles.
That's what I was going to say. Am I getting lemon? I taste just a very kind of hint of lemon, you know.
Just very slight, because it was only like half a teaspoon of lemon for each of these little ramekins. But yeah, I mean, I don't think I will be making the silken tofu myself like this in the future, because we don't use silken tofu that much anyway, and I think I'd rather prefer either soy yogurt or actual hard tofu. But it was interesting to experiment.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Good to try.
So if you guys try it, let me know what you thought of it. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. Until the next time, guys.
Bye bye.